Good morning, second grade. Ms. Fogelman here for your reading lesson today. Okay, let me get to the right date. Okay, so our learning target for today is I can describe how words and phrases give rhythm and meaning to a poem or a story. This has been our topic this week, learning how rhythm and meaning can enhance your writing. Today we are going to be reading some poems with rhythm, repetition, and alliteration. Remember, repetition is repeating either the same line or words in a poem. Rhythm is the underlying beat or beat that you have for your poem. And an alliteration is having words with the same letter sound. Okay, so alliteration, when words in a sentence, story, or poem begin with the same letter. Adam ate an apple. Beth blew her blue balloon. Kathy calls her cat Carla. Dean dines with Dan at Domino's. Repetition is the repeating of a particular sound device to create an effect. To create emphasis, a poet may repeat words or lines within a poem. Rhythm is what makes music move or flow. Rhythm is made up of sounds or silences. These sounds and silences are put together to form a pattern, which creates a rhythm. That was when we were watching the man earlier in the week who was hitting the sticks to the beat of the song Thunder. All right. So our first poem is called What's My Treat? I picked it up cold and wet. It's going to taste good, I'll bet. My mom slices into the pink fruit. My small piece looks juicy and cute. I see the seeds so little and black. I want to taste this healthy snack. I take one bite, so sugary sweet, so cool, so refreshing in the hot summer heat. Can you guess my tasty treat? I'll share with you if you keep it neat. All right, so the question is, how many rhyming sets, that's 2 words, can we find in this poem? All right, so the first 2 that I see are wet and bet. That's a set of rhyming words. The next 2 I see are fruit and cute. Okay. Remember, rhyming words have to sound the same. And a lot of times they will have the same exact ending. Like in wet and bet, they both have the ET. Fruit and cute do not have the same letters, but they still sound the same. Black and snack both have the same letter endings, ACK, and they sound the same. Sweet and heat have the same sound, but not the same letters. Treat and neat do have the same letters and the same sound. So when you do your assignment in Shobi, the expectation is that you will circle the 2 together to show that they rhyme, and that is 1 set. All right. All righty, now, What's My Treat is the next poem we're reading. I'm sorry, it's the same poem, but the next question that we're answering has to do with what's my treat. Okay, so again, I'm going to read it one more time. I picked it up cold and wet. It's going to taste good, I'll bet. My mom slices into the pink fruit. My small piece looks juicy and cute. I see the seeds, so little and black. I want to taste this healthy snack. I take one bite, so sugary sweet, so cool, so refreshing in the hot summer heat. Can you guess my tasty treat? I'll share with you if you keep it neat. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what our hints are. Let me get my pen back. All right, it's a pink fruit. It's juicy and cute. The seeds are black. It's a healthy snack. So we know it's a fruit and we know that it's pink. And it tastes sugary sweet. And it might be something in the hot summer heat. Let's see. I'm thinking maybe a grapefruit because grapefruits are pink. And they are sugary sweet and they have little black seeds. But maybe it's a watermelon. Watermelons have black seeds and they are sugary sweet and people love to have watermelon in the hot summer heat. I bet you that's what it is. All right. What words or phrases helped you figure out the character's treat? Well, we just talked about that. If you remember, Miss Fogelman was circling the different hints like pink fruit, juicy, black seeds, healthy snack, sugary sweet, and people like it in a hot summer. So, and we also need to make sure we keep it neat. Watermelon can get kind of messy. All right. There's an assignment in Shobi. Let me show you where to go for that. We're under Thursday. And you will go down here under 3rd grade and you will go to the poem. I'm sorry, under 2nd grade. Miss Fogelman sometimes forgets which grade level she's talking to. Under 2nd grade, and it's called The Pond, okay? And I'm going to read it to you and that way you can get to work as soon as you're done with our video. Down by the pond, I hear the croaks. It's frogs and toads who are having a soak. The smell of rain and soil fill my nose. Slimy mud and water run over my toes. Throwing smooth, chilly rocks into the pond is something my brother and I do to bond. Tweet, tweet, says the bird loudly overhead. Let's go, were the only words my brother said. So you are then going to, the first thing you're going to do when you come in here is you're going to record yourself reading the poem. Then you are going to answer the 3 questions, okay? All right, make sure you get your work done today and I will see you later.